Hey guys, it's Rupi here. So today I want to show you how to make the pH acidic 2.5 water and the pH 11.5 water. Let's go take a look. Okay guys, so now we're at the machine. We're going to do the pH 11.5 which comes out of the top hose and the pH 2.5 which comes out of the bottom hose, and I'm just going to collect it in here and we will store it in a dark bottle because it helps preserve it and keeps it longer, and it actually does mature as you keep it. So we'll just switch the machine on and we're going to touch the pH 2.5, which is strong acidic water. So we're just touching that one there. We turn on the diverter like that, and then we're going to switch the water on, and we want it running sort of just gently, not too fast. Strong acidic water. So it's telling us that the strong acidic water is coming through, and it's saying to decrease the flow. So I've just got to turn it down a bit. There we go. And pH 2.5 is coming into this jar here, and we'll collect the 11.5 from the top hose at the same time into this container. And that's how you get your pH 11.5 and your pH 2.5. Okay, once you've finished collecting your waters and you've stored them in your dark containers, then you will get this notification that says that there's a cleaning notification. So all you've got to do is run the water. Okay, so we just run the water, starting the cleaning cycle. So it's going to tell you that it's actually cleaning the machine, and you just let the water run and it will keep going until the end and tell you when the cleaning is finished, and then you can go back to your drinking water. Okay, so that's how you make your pH 11.5 from the top hose. pH 2.5 is your cleaning, they're both your cleaning waters from the bottom hose here, and then you need to clean the machine so that you can start drinking the water again. All right, these two waters, the 11.5 and the 2.5, are not cleaning waters. And there we go, it's just finished as I was talking, and so now you can go back to drinking 9.5. So now you can go back to drinking your water, and that's how you do it. Give me a like and a follow for more, and if you want any information, just connect. Okay, all right, bye for now, see ya.